Last week's Nairobi rain gave me free business.
My customer's phone survived the flood. Barely.
Those roads looked like rivers.
Historical analysis complete.
Oh no!
Some leaders suggested boats.
Boats?
So matatus become ferries.
Nairobi becomes Venice.
Human solutions continue to puzzle my processors.
Those shoes are still wet.
From last week's rain.
Nairobi became Atlantis.
I heard someone suggested boats.
Boats? Oh no!
So we commute by canoe.
Uber boats.
Urban flooding detected. Proposed solution, aquatic transportation.
You see, even the robot agrees.
Correction, robot is confused.
If floods continue, I'll start Baba Nyash boat taxi.
You don't even swim.
Business does not require swimming.
Instead of boats, maybe fix drainage?
Logical human detected. Rare phenomenon. Greetings, humans. Last week, Nairobi experienced heavy rainfall. Urban drainage systems failed. Some solutions suggested boats. Tumabot is still processing this strategy.